All right, these are the answers to the first exponent review. Just a variety of things that we've done this last 2 weeks. For the first one, you've got 99 12s on the bottom. That'll cancel 99 of these, leave us with 1 left over. So this will be 12 to the first or 12. Over here, the rule is to multiply. We want to keep the 8. You don't want to do anything silly to that. Just multiply. 15 times 4 would be 60. Okay. Here I've got 16 4s, but with the negative, that means they should be on the bottom. So this is going to be 1 over 4 to the 16th. And you could try to do that, but that's probably way bigger than we want it to be. So I would just leave it like that. Same thing here. We just understand that the 10 and the 10 stays 10. We're not changing that base. There's 15 of them times 16 of them, give us 31 of those. We wouldn't make that 100. We don't have 31 hundreds multiplying together. We have 31 tens multiplying together. So I'm going to keep that separate. Here we're going to multiply 2 times 13. That's 26. X squared, x to the 4th. Add those exponents, we'll get x to the 6th. Y to the 3rd, y to the 8th. Add those exponents, we'll get y to the 11th. Over here, 4 times 1/8 is 4/8 or 1/2. M to the 3rd, oh, I'm sorry. My fault there. I didn't see that 3. So we need to do this 3 first. So we're going to take that through. We're going to do 4 times 4 times 4. That's 64. M cubed, m cubed, m cubed is m to the 9th. N squared, n squared, n squared is n to the 6th. So we're going to do that first. All right, then 64 times 1/8 is 64/8 or just 8. 9 plus 6 is 15. 6 plus negative 4 is 2. So there'd be our answer there. All right. Here we've got a couple of different things to do. The 1/2 is just 1/2, that stays there. We're doing 2 of these. So a times a is a squared. B cubed is b to the 6th. Okay. Then we're doing 3 of these. So 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. A squared is a to the 6th. B times b times b is b to the 3rd. All right. Now I can go 1,000 times a half. Half of 1,000 is 500. I've got a squared, a to the 6th. Put those together, that'll be a to the 8th. Put the b's together, and we'll have b to the 9th. There's our answer there. Over here, I got this squared, so 9 times 9 is 81. H squared times h squared is h to the 4th. K to the 5th times k to the 5th is k to the 10th. Then you have all of this to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. So this is 1, it just goes away. And then that's our answer there. So although it looked kind of complicated at first, it actually turned out pretty simple. Number 9 has us dividing, so 30 divided by 10 is 3. A cubed over a. 3 minus 1 would be 2. 7 over 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this would be our answer right there. On this one, I got to find a number that divides evenly into 15 and 35. That would be 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Right? If I go 3 minus 6, I'm going to get x to the negative 3. I'll start that. And then 8 minus 7 is 1. That negative exponent means that this should be on the other level. So we're going to drop. We're going to keep the 3 and the y, but we're going to drop that down, let it join the 7 down here, and look like that. Okay. On this one, I got to find a number that divides evenly into negative 20 and 8. That would be 4. So negative 20 divided by 4 is negative 5. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay. 3 minus negative 2 is 5. 5 minus 7 is negative 2. 2 minus 0 is positive 2. All right, so we get that. Now here's where you got to be careful. This negative 5 is just a number. All right. So we aren't going to change that. We're not going to drop that down. It's not an exponent. It's only the negative exponents that are when we drop things down. So you're going to leave that negative 5 there. All right. We're going to leave the m to the 5th up there. We're going to leave the p squared up there. Those are positive exponents. Don't need to do anything with them. It's just this negative exponent. That drops down, becomes an n squared on the bottom. All right. And that is our answer there. On number 12, we want to cube this, so we want to go 3 times 3 times 3, that's 27. A squared would be a to the 6th. B cubed would be b to the 9th. Okay. Over 18, a to the 4th, b to the 9th. All right, I got to find a number that divides evenly into them. 9 does. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. Those cancel each other out. They go away. This is our answer then. On 13, we're going to multiply on top first. So 6 times 4 is 24. C cubed, C is c to the 4th. D4, D3, add those up, you get d to the 7th. All right, and now I got to find a number that divides evenly into 24 and 30. And 6 will do the job. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. 30 divided by 6 is 5. All right, 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. Those are both positive, so we're all good there. There's our answer. All right, and then the last one, I'm putting these together. So a cubed to the 4th, if I multiply that, that'll be a to the 12th. Plus 2 to the 6th. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that's 64. And then if I multiply there, I get a to the 12th on that. So 6 of them plus 64 of them give us 70 of them. And that's our answer.